Today, RNL became the first React Native conference hosted in the UK. Over 250 people, React Native enthusiasts, a large existing community has taken its full force and created the best React Native event in all of the UK. So this year we looked at a lot. We looked at universal apps in detail because that's the future of React Native. We looked at some of the new developments with Nitro modules. We looked at how AI can be used to take native mobile apps and transpile them over to React Native with minimal effort. We had panels and interviews that deeply explored people's experiences in the React Native ecosystem and people's journeys all the way from their youth to where they are in their careers today. And I think it was a great culmination of people all together, excited, and wanting to explore this community and explore what this technology means for the greater ecosystem. It's been an incredible event. It's been a great journey, months in the building, and we're so glad to see it get kicked off the ground. And we can't wait to see what happens in 2025.